Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics quickly. Power cycle your modem and router, and make sure your device is on the right network. Once done, open an elevated command prompt or terminal because the next commands need admin access. You will flush DNS and renew addressing to remove stale records that cause the DNS probe error. This clears local cache and forces the system to requery DNS servers, which often resolves the failure without changing provider settings. Now run the commands. Flush DNS cache, release and renew IP so your computer drops any bad leases. These steps re-establish a clean connection. Next, reset WinSock and TCP/IP stack to undo corrupted socket settings. This fixes many DNS probe faults by restoring network subsystem defaults. Once those commands complete, restart your network adapter or toggle airplane mode to apply changes. Make sure to reboot the machine if the system requests it so all resets take effect. Finally, switch to a reliable public DNS if problems persist. Set DNS to Google or Cloudflare in adapter settings so name resolution bypasses your ISP's server. Once changed, test using ping or ENS-lookup to verify names resolve, and open a different browser to rule out browser DNS cache. If it still fails, inspect router DNS, disable VPN or firewall temporarily, and contact your ISP to check outages. If nothing works, one key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.